Give me a photo, not from the other. A major reconstruction of his lower jaw. This after his cancer surgery, you can see. He's had multiple procedures. He's got some flap done there. So that wasn't done by us, but we're doing what is called as reconstructive procedure. So we can see this. This is one of the approach. Incision is healed beautifully. Another long incision there. It's healed partially. Some of the stitches are still there. We're going to take them off a little later. We've used a custom 3D reconstruction on the lower jaw so that, open him out, so that he can bite correctly on this side. Band kariye. So he's not going to get teeth on this part of his lower jaw. Unfortunately, cause of the cancer and the way the resection was done earlier, we're not planning for that. But what we actually done for him is to be able to use these set of teeth that he has on the right side of his jaw, because that's going to match well, interdigitate well with the upper teeth on the same side. So we've improved the facial form. We've already improved his function. There's still swelling, as you can see here. So this is all going to go down in the next few weeks. वो लेवल हो गया।
आज हो गया। तो यहाँ जो ठीक है ना, वो में अखे दिन पेन रहता है और टीट है ना, टीट के ऊपर प्रेशर मारता है, तो दुखा हुआ है। अपने वो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
आप देखा आपका कितना था, कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है?
ये तो हुआ, वो पक्का है। नरता था, वो सारा पूरा वही रहा, वो इतना हो गया, वो बात सही है।
बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है।
अब ये जो होने का था, वन साइड आ गया था, अब लेवल हो गया, वो बात सही है। तो इसका पेन तो चबाने में उस समय तकलीफ होता ही है।
तो टाइम लगेगा आपको।
नहीं, ये जा रहा है,
आपको और 1 महीना लगेगा पूरा वो पेन खत्म होने के लिए। टाइम लगता है, ये जल्दी जल्दी नहीं ठीक होगा। आपको तो पहले था ही नहीं ना वो साइड में। अब देखो कितना सूजन आया है। हमने वो सर्जरी करा के कैसा आपको फुलनेस लाए हैं, नेक का भी क्लियर हुआ। सो दिस इज सपोज्ड कैंसर deformity which we've corrected. I'm going to show you some different views now. This is the down view, and this is another down view. This is a front view. So what we've done basically is prepared a 3-dimensional